Thanks for catching it. It should be about 85%. I feel comfortable leading you. I'm not leading you astray. Okay? And that's what some marketing tactics. We were showing marketing like this, but it really looks like this, and no one wanted to. I would tell people, hey, it's three-legged stool. You need an online presence, offline presence, and social media. And folks said, no, we just need Airbnb. And it would argue until COVID happened, and then they were like selling their stuff on the curb. They can't do anything. So you need online presence, yes, for marketing. You need your Airbnbs, your furnished finders, and all these things. And there's some tactics like the Richie, and make sure you're on Google. Try to be the first page on Google, right? Here, let's do, I need someone who has Google, not DuckDuckGo. Someone has Google on their phone right now. Who's got it? Raise your phone up. Okay, I need you to do a Google search, corporate housing, Sacramento. Let's let them do that.
Corporate housing, Sacramento.
That come up. And then you skip, do you guys, when you're doing Google, do you press on the ads, or do you skip the ads? Skip that. Okay, so skip the ads, and then you're going to see what the first organic, what do you see? It's going to be in the map view, probably.
Easy corporate housing.
Easy corporate, what's the name of my company?
Easy corporate housing.
Easy corporate housing. First page Google, top, right? Skip, go down a little bit low, what do you see again?
Corporate housing. Two after those, easy corporate housing.
2 times on the first page of Google. Is that enough credibility for me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go on.